walking around the nursery today, and I just wanted to set up a quick little vignette of a low maintenance plant combination. Let's take a look. So the first plant in our low maintenance plant combo is Phormium Dark Delight. It is such a beautiful plant. Check this out, you guys. Look at the richness and vibrancy of these leaves. It makes such an incredible accent. It's gonna get about 4.5 feet tall by about 4.5 feet wide. Remember, we wanna build up layers in the landscape. Background, middle ground, foreground. So this is gonna be more in the background to middle ground. It's gonna get a little bit taller, and we're gonna plant other plants with it that have height, color, and texture contrast. And that's what I wanna build for you guys in these few plants here. That's what makes the landscape interesting, and that's what we want to achieve in our garden is contrast. Pretty much all you will need to do for the Formium here in terms of maintenance will be remove the dead leaves at the bottom. And that could happen maybe once a year. This is such a no-brainer plant, and it's drought tolerant. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one we're looking at is Russelia equisetiformis. Now this is a gorgeous flowering plant. Look at those blooms right there. Incredible, and it just has this beautiful weeping effect. Stays relatively small. It's only gonna get about 3 feet tall by about 4, maybe 4.5 feet wide. So we have the Formium. That's gonna be our tallest plant in this combo. And then we have the Russelia. And just like the Formium, the maintenance is pretty low on this. You can just kind of take off some of the branches that are not looking great once a year, maybe twice a year. That is incredibly minimal. This will take full sun, but also some light shade. Easy to grow, drought tolerant, just a great plant for the landscape where little maintenance is desirable. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, next up we have Westringia Morning Light. This plant, another great plant, very low maintenance, drought tolerant, and you really don't have to worry about it. The leaves have a creamy variegation, so that's gonna add color brightness. Now the height is gonna be pretty similar to the Russelia. It's gonna get about 3, maybe 4 feet by about 4 to 5 feet wide, and it will have a sprawling, mounding form. Again, remember, we like contrast. That's what creates interest in the landscape. So contrasting that against the darker color of the Formium and the blooms of the Russelia. All right, next plant. So now we have Festuca Elijah Blue. And you guys have probably seen me use this in a couple other videos. I just like this plant. It's really cool. It's got an awesome texture, super easy to grow, and it stays nice and neat and compact. And another thing I love about the blue fescue is when you plant it in masses, it creates a really cool meadow kind of effect. So just a great plant for the landscape. And in this combo, it's going to contrast really well in height, color, and texture. It's gonna bring in those blues that we need for this plant combo, and it's gonna look really cool with the rest of these plants. All right, now let's put all these plants together and see how they look. All right, guys, this is our low maintenance plant combo working together in harmony to create beautiful interest in the landscape. You have height, color, and texture contrast from the Formium to the Russelia to the Westringia, and the foreground is our blue fescue. This is a winning combo. You guys cannot go wrong with this. Now, I'm thinking we add some succulents, because let's be honest, succulents make everything better. Ready, go. And just like that, a massive visual treat. We just added some sedums, some Aeoniums, Kalanchoe, Senecio, Agave, and look at this amazing palette of plants here, just ready for our eyes to feast on day after day. And we don't have to toil in the sun day after day to keep these plants looking great. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and chatting about plants. If you have not yet been to the website, go to budgetplants.com. If you are on YouTube, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when a new video comes out. I will see you on the next one, and always happy planting.